Mastering English Grammar. Possessive Adjectives Uncovered. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to tackle a fascinating topic within English grammar: possessive adjectives. Understanding possessive adjectives is essential for expressing relationships of ownership or possession in English. So let's dive into it. Possessive adjectives are words that indicate who or what owns something. They are placed before a noun and change form depending on the noun's owner. They include words like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. It's essential to remember that possessive adjectives are always followed by the noun they modify. To gain a better understanding, let's look at some examples of sentences using possessive adjectives. 1. This is my book. The book belongs to me. 2. I like your dress. The dress belongs to you. 3. Is that his car? The car belongs to him. 4. She brushed her hair. The hair belongs to her. 5. The cat is licking its paw. The paw belongs to the cat. 6. We love our city. The city belongs to us. 7. They forgot their bags. The bags belong to them. Remember, these adjectives are used to show something belongs to someone or something, and they always go before the noun. A common mistake is confusing possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns. Keep in mind that possessive adjectives are followed by a noun, whereas possessive pronouns are not. Here's an example. Correct, that's my dog. Possessive adjective plus noun. Correct, that dog is mine. Possessive pronoun. The first sentence uses the possessive adjective, my, before the noun, dog. In the second sentence, mine is a possessive pronoun replacing my dog. That wraps up our discussion on possessive adjectives. These adjectives are crucial tools in English grammar, helping to express relationships of ownership and association. With regular practice, you'll get the hang of them and start using them correctly in no time. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice. So, keep practicing, and you'll see progress. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!